Alright, so this is a my 52-inch red and brushed nickel Harbor Breeze Tiempo ceiling fan that I got for my birthday in April of this year, and I'm gonna be showing it off and some updates I've done to it. So yeah, um, this is just gonna be like a little overview video because I haven't really said much in the last video I did, and yeah, see, there's 5 reversible red. They're pretty scratched up, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Glossy, non-reversible red to red blades, and it has 4 LED light bulbs in it, along 2 metal older style Harbor Breeze pull chains in brushed nickel. So, and you can see the canopy up there is not the original canopy that came with this fan. It came with my Harbor Breeze rocket fan, which I had previously, and I just didn't feel like changing the mounting bracket, so that's why this canopy stayed. And this one actually has the Harbor Breeze logo right there. Let's see. There's the tags if you want to see them. There's the UL sticker. See, it says, can't really see it. Can't really see it, but maybe you can, but I can't. It says something 2004, and you can see with the this sticker, it says December of 2004. I'm not sure if it's going to focus or not, but did read it before, and it said December 2004. So yeah, here's the other tags right there. And yeah, you can see it has 4 light shades. These are not original to the fan. I mean, these are meant for this fan, but they're not the original ones. The original ones, for the person I bought it from said they got lost somehow, so I had to buy these off of eBay, and they were not cheap, costing about $65 for all 4 of these after tax. But to me, it was worth it as it makes the fan look more complete. See, it also did not come with all of its blade screws. You can see these 2 on each blade are not original, but this one is on each blade. It only came with 7, so I just did this. I just made these 2 the same on each blade, and this one the same on each blade to make it more balanced. But you can see it's pretty dang wobbly. Not sure if it's because the box is loose or what, but you can see even the canopy moves, which does kind of scare me at times. But oh well. I don't think it's gonna fall down. But sorry for the mess in this room. I've been just tinkering on a bunch of stuff, but you can see this blade, this switch housing screw is not original. It came from a Harvey's Colera that I put new switch housing screws onto from a Clarkston 2 I parted out. So see, these are twist on shades. I'm not going to do it because it's kind of rough and it causes the fan to wobble, and I can't really do it with one hand anyway, but they are twist on mechanism. So yeah, anyways, we'll go on to the demonstration. So let me get the phone down and start the demonstration. If I can get my phone to pause here. See, it does wobble quite a bit due to a bent blade, sadly, but no big deal. Well, that does it. So, hope you enjoy. Comment, like, subscribe, share your thoughts down in the comments. Stay tuned for more content to come.